Most traders don't even realize it, but fear and greed are controlling every decision they make. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to take control before it's too late. Welcome back to Trading Psychology Pro, the channel where you learn how to master your mind, control your emotions, and trade like a professional. If you're tired of losing trades because of fear or impatience, you're in the right place. Trading isn't just about charts or indicators, it's about your mindset. If you can't control your emotions, you'll never be consistent, no matter how good your strategy is. Step 1. Recognize your emotions. Pay attention to your feelings while trading. Are you anxious when the market moves against you? Are you excited or overconfident after a win? Recognizing fear and greed is the first step to controlling them. Example: imagine you see a trade turning small profit. Fear might make you close it too early. Ask yourself, am I following my rules or just my feelings? Step 2. Stick to your plan. Every trade must follow your rules: stop losses, risk per trade, and entry signals. Emotions will always try to push you off track. Mini exercise: before every trade, take 3 deep breaths and repeat, I follow my plan, not my emotions. This simple practice can prevent costly mistakes. Step 3. Practice patience. The market moves at its own pace. Rushing trades or chasing profits is a common trap. Remember, patience and consistency create long-term profits. Example: some traders close trades after a small gain, only to see the market move 3x their target later. Patience could have doubled or tripled their profit. Here's a quick tip: keep a trading journal. Write down your emotions during every trade. After a week, you'll start noticing patterns in your behavior and know exactly when fear or greed is taking control. Top traders don't just trade, they train their minds. They prepare for losses, stay calm under pressure, and follow their strategy every single time. Your psychology is your biggest weapon, or your biggest enemy. So if you want to take your trading to the next level, start controlling your emotions today. Take one step: recognize, plan, and practice patience. Subscribe to Trading Psychology Pro and join me for more lessons on mindset, discipline, and winning in trading. Comment below with one emotion you struggle with the most, and let's fix it together.